What are you guys saying?
That one still lit. My nigga loco.
You know what I mean? There was one day you let the beat do the talking and then the vocals just, you know what I mean? Yo, this makes it make sense. That's crazy still. That beat is dumb. Imagine that at a festival though. That at a festival, nighttime, light, pyro. Hey, I'm thinking of the stage production. It's mad. That beat performed crazy, mad dancers, crazy.
I can't even drop.
You don't need to drop that tomorrow, bro.
I say it's real like that.
Man, say me some water today.
Sometimes it's real like that, you know. Just
Hey, let it rip,
tomorrow,
bro. Let it rip.
All you know is flying like a...
Nah, big up you lot though, man. Big up.
We're trying our best. You know?
Nah, that's crazy.
More than your best.
Trying our best every
More
single
than.
day, man. You know?
Where you based? Here.
Come on, bro.
Swear.
You know he's from GH, he's from Ghana.
Swear.
Yeah. See this guy,
What about you, bro?
For me, I'm from SA.
But you based here as well?
No. Just come here, you know, often. Yeah.
Yo, Deck, amazing producer. Everything, I don't want to do black.
I think I met you at my guy Fire show.
Fireboy show.
Yeah, in Royal Albert.
Mollo. Fire.
Mollo.
Yeah.
I did. Now that you said that, I just remember your face. Fuck it.